into the picture. It is a very friendly tool which you as investors can use easily to find out which stock is actually performing well and which one isn't. Let me get on to our first stock of the cheat sheet. So our first stock of the cheat sheet is Indian Energy Exchange. It is a 5-star rated stock by a stock rating matrix. What is unique about the company is that it has 95% monopoly in the power exchange business. It also provides a platform for trading in electricity units, renewable energy and energy saving certificates. It is a public listed company, but a SIP in it since 2017 would have given a CAGR of 53% in only 3.63 years. So what is best about this company is that it is an asset light business with a high operating leverage. Its EBIT margins have been over 80% since 2018 and it has an average ROE of 44% since 10 years. With a 0.02 debt to equity, it also has a dividend payout ratio of 35%. So you can imagine the amount of cash flows and value this company creates for its shareholders. Now a retail investor would not encounter such stocks and would have definitely missed out on this compounder. Also, to add to that, the intricacies of the power sector can be too complex for one person to remove the dedicated time and resources to actually analyze this stock. So that's where Stock Rating has found it for you and has actually done the job for you for picking out this hidden gem out of 4,500 stocks. Our second stock from the cheat sheet is Fine Organics. Now Fine Organics also has a 4.5 rating by a stock rating matrix. It was listed in July 2018 and a SIP in it from that time would have delivered a CAGR of 41% in only 2.88 years. So a stock SIP would have definitely exceeded benchmark returns by a huge margin. So why did Stock Rating pick up this stock? So this company belongs to a niche chemical sector, and because exports from China reduced drastically, the world turned towards Indian cheaper substitutes. That's where Fine Organics gained momentum. What the company actually does is, it prepares special additives which are used in day-to-day lives, like you wouldn't even know about them. These are the additives which are used in plastic processing, in cosmetics, in textiles, rubber, paints, which you actually encounter in your day-to-day lives. And it actually caters to a diverse form of industries, and therefore its business is very versatile. It has negligible debt, an ROCE of over 20%, OPM average of over 20% since the last 4 years. So hence, Stock Rating has picked up this stock for y'all. Moving on to the last and final out of the 3 stocks, which is Muthoot Finance. Now Muthoot Finance is also a 5-star rated stock by a stock rating matrix. It started in Kerala in 1939 and it is a reputed gold lender with a 45% market share and a brand ambassador like Amitabh Bachchan. Its EPS growth has been over 30% since some years, and a SIP in this stock since 2017 would have given a CAGR of whopping 55%. Its AUM CAGR is also 15%, which is higher than the industry average of 11%. So these were the 3 stocks which we have selected for y'all, and there are 17 more other stocks. So the entire list of 20 stocks has been identified and highly rated by Samco Ratings. The cheat sheet contains a list of ready-made portfolios for you to easily select from as per your SIP requirement and help you in your wealth creation journey. So our clients will receive a cheat sheet right after this webinar. But don't worry, if you don't have an account with us, please open one or write to us in this email. So Chirag, this was that simple, and this strategy is very easy to do, and as you can see I have already explained it in detail.
So I'm really excited, Nirali. Thank you so much for your presentation today, and I'm so glad that you came to the Wealth Creation Summit today and you showed us this strategy. I am excited to put this strategy to use today. Now, let me just summarize the wealth creation strategy